want me to get ratchet. Niggas want me to attack it. Put the hood on, they're telling me cashes. Aren't you like Bob Saget? Greedy, I...
Alright, so today I wanted to try something, which is I want to use a sponge and a brush to show y'all the difference of how this foundation. I did it the other day when I was just doing makeup, and I was like, wow, that's a big difference. I don't know if it was the brush itself, so I'm gonna use the same brush I used yesterday, which was this pink brush. I think I got these from Amazon. I'm going to use this very soft sponge on one side just to see if there's a difference, because like I did it yesterday and it's like amazing. Well, not yesterday, day before yesterday. And it came out really good. So I'm going to do this side with the brush.
Can't pass it. Eating everything to get no fasting. I don't care what you knew me in the past tense. I ain't no Julian style, this ain't no last dance. Way past it. Way. Fucking on my ex.
And then I'm going to do this side with the sponge.
I don't want no receipt. Mine get possessed, let my space speak freely. Hey, my past can't escape me. My pussy.
Now, in my opinion, they both look good, but the sponge is looking better, actually. It's like more laid down, and this side is looking good too, though. I was just trying to see, is there a difference? Like, I did go over my liner. I'm going to fix that. If there's a difference between when you do the brush with the sponge, because I saw a video of a girl did it and it looked a little different, but not too much. But I want to see for myself. These bags are still in the, look at this. Bags are still there. So I just wanted to do a short video to see if you could see a difference. Maybe you could see a difference. Let me know in the comments, because I don't see the difference. I see they both look good. I mean, I still got bags under this eye, but I didn't even look to see if there's always been one bigger bag on this side than this side. I didn't look. I'll have to go back and look at that. But tell me in the comments, do you see a difference? This is a 3-minute video. Oh my god, I want to be short, but whatever. Okay, thank you for watching.
One need a charge. Yeah, they twins, I could tell they ass.